Don't be begging for that bird, lad. You know what I'm saying? Because the minute you start fucking begging is the minute that she starts to get fucking confidence and thinks that you're a fucking girl, lad. You know what I'm saying? Trust, you're gonna lose it anyway. So what the fuck is the point in even trying to beg for it? You know what I'm saying? Stick to your guns, lad, and say, listen, we're over, go ahead, sound. Keep that fucking same energy, you know what I'm saying? Trust, work on yourself now, lad. Promise you, that's just the only way. You're a fully grown man and you're scared of emotions. Fuck that bitch, lad, you know what I'm saying? That bird you think's so special, she ain't special. Takes a shit in the morning like any other bird. Fuck that bitch. Now stay woke in these streets. Big brr.